In this quick Viber tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete a chat on Viber permanently. Whether you want to clear chat history to save space or just want to remove a conversation from your main list, we will cover the simple gestures for both Android and iPhone. We all have those old conversations sitting in our inbox that we no longer need. Maybe it's a group chat that is no longer active or a one-time conversation with a delivery driver. Keeping your chat list clean makes it easier to find the people you actually talk to. I'm your host, and in this simple guide, we are going to declutter your Viber app. We will walk through the specific gestures you need to use to wipe an entire conversation from your device. It is important to know that deleting a full chat works differently from deleting a single message, and I will explain exactly what happens to the data on both ends. By the end of this video, your inbox will be tidy and organized. To follow along, you just need your smartphone with the Viber app installed. You don't need any special permissions, but you do need to be sure you actually want to lose the messages, as this process is irreversible without a backup. Let's get into the app and clean up. Open Viber and go to your main Chats screen, where all your conversations are listed. If you are using an iPhone, the gesture is different. You need to find the chat in your list and swipe your finger across it from right to left. You will see options appear, usually mute, pin, and delete. You can either tap the red delete button, or for a faster method, you can swipe all the way to the left edge of the screen to delete it in one smooth motion. Again, confirm the action and the chat is gone. If you are using an Android device, the process involves a long press. You need to find the chat you want to remove and tap and hold your finger on it for about a second. A menu will pop up with several options. You will simply tap Delete. A confirmation box will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the chat. Tap Yes to confirm, and the conversation will vanish instantly. It is crucial to understand that when you delete a chat conversation this way, it removes the copy only from your device. The person you were talking to will still have the entire conversation history on their phone. This does not unsend the messages. It just clears your personal history. If you don't want to delete the whole chat, but just want to hide it from prying eyes, you might want to look into hidden chats instead, which are protected by a PIN. However, if your goal is to free up storage space on your phone, deleting old media-heavy chats is a very effective way to do it. Also, remember that if you have a Viber backup enabled, connected to Google Drive or iCloud, the deleted chat might still exist in your last backup until the next scheduled backup runs and overwrites it. What if the chat comes back? This is rare, but if you have Viber installed on a desktop computer or a tablet, sometimes the sync can get confused. If you delete a chat on your phone, it should automatically delete from your computer. If it doesn't, go to your Viber desktop app, right-click the conversation there, and choose Delete to ensure it is gone from everywhere. So, we've reached the end of our guide. We've learned how to delete a chat on Viber using the specific gestures for each operating system. We practiced the long press method for Android and the swipe left method for iPhone, and we clarified that this action cleans your side of the history without affecting the other person. You now have a cleaner, more organized chat interface. I truly hope this Viber guide helped you tidy up your app. If it was helpful, please give this video a like. It helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in more messaging app tutorials and tech tips, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, are you someone who deletes messages immediately after reading them, or do you keep chat histories for years, just in case? I'm curious to know your digital habits. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.